Hi, this is John from Prakticala, and today I'm going to review the Cold Steel Code 4 folding knife. This knife is in the same family as the Cold Steel 4MAX Scout and the Voyager that I recently reviewed. This one also is a pretty big knife, although it is not nearly as big as the 4MAX Scout, and it's also smaller than the Voyager. So this, I would say, is a much more manageable size. It's a 3.5-inch blade, 8.5 inches overall. So still, pretty big, but yeah, like I said, more manageable. It has the same triad lock, locking system, which is nice. And it also has this same issue of being very wide profile because of the shape of the handle and the shape of the blade. When you fold it, it's not really flush with each other, so you have this kind of wide profile. Now this is a little bit offset because the thickness is actually very thin. It's very thin, and it's also very light compared to its size, and it has these really lightweight, really cool, nice aluminum scales. It's kind of this matte, smooth matte finish with this nice olive color. And I really do like the blade itself. I always like clip points, and this is a nice one. Very sharp. This is great steel, S35VN, so really good, high quality premium steel. Nice finish, just looks really good. A lot of polish here, and just very nicely made knife. Very, very smooth operation, so smooth opening. Solid lock. The triad lock is a very solid mechanism, and yeah, just feels really, really good. Now the issue I have with the triad lock is that I've never really found a confident way to close it with one hand. Maybe there's a way to do it, but I have not found a way to do it. So, when you have a liner lock or a frame lock, you could use your thumb to close it. This one, you can open it with one hand using the thumb stud, so it does open. Because it's kind of big, for me, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So I feel more comfortable doing it with two hands, but you could kind of snap it open with one hand if you wanted to. But closing it, I don't really feel like there's a confident way to do that. So you got to use two hands to close. Me personally, it's just much more convenient to be able to open and close with one hand. But like I said, this is a very nicely well-made knife. Great size, great blade, great steel, great construction. And it is a much less unwieldy package than the other cold steel knives that I mentioned. So it is not too big to fit in your pocket. It is on the larger side, but not too big. So I would say this is getting into the realm of, yeah, this is a nice everyday carry, especially for the quality. If you are maybe have larger hands and you're pretty capable of opening this with one hand, and you have big pockets because you're a big guy, then I think it would be a good choice. I personally prefer something a little smaller, but for the size, if you're looking for that size, I think this is a good choice. And I forgot to mention, it also has reversible pocket clip for left hand or right hand carry, which is nice. So yeah, hopefully that is helpful for you. Thank you.